This fig tree is roughly 50 years old and can cast more than 5 metres of shade across the inner city footpath.
We've got an era of increasing heat in our environment, and shade trees are really critically important, and too many of them get cut down around Cairns.
St John's Anglican Church on Minnie Street lodged an application to Cairns Regional Council to cut down the shady showstopper.
The main problem, it seems, coming from the church, is that it's providing too much shade for homeless people who leave a bit of litter around the place.
But members of the Cairns and Far North Environment Centre are fighting for it to stay.
But this tree needs a lot more tender love and care. It needs to be pruned a little bit, it needs to be mulched underneath, and of course clean the rubbish out.
Division 5 Councillor Rob Pyne says he hopes to see the trees stand tall for many more years.
There is a development application before council, but certainly from my point of view, the more of these old trees we can keep in the city, the better.
St John's Anglican Church was contacted for comment but did not reply by deadline. Christina Pooljak, 7 News.